ever assigned something for students to read, but because it's not graded, it quietly slips through the cracks? If it's not on a student's to-do list, there's a good chance it gets missed. Here's a simple design move that makes your expectations visible. Student to-do dates. When you create or edit a Canvas page, look for the option to assign a to-do date below the Rich Content Editor. Choose a date and hit Save. This is what places the item directly on a student's to-do list or calendar. Use this for anything you want students to do, read, watch, or review. For example, a weekly overview page, a reading or article, or a short lecture video, or instructions for an upcoming assignment. You don't need to grade it, you just need to signal, this matters, and here's when to do it. Why does this work? Students rely heavily on the Canvas to-do list and calendar to manage their time, especially those who are balancing work, family, and coursework. When key content shows up there, you reduce guesswork and help students stay on track.